Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new Instagram account on your Android device. Before I start the video, I'll ask you something that till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, download Instagram from Play Store. I have already Instagram application. After I install this Instagram application, open it. After that, here click on create new account. Then type here your name or business name. I'm gonna type here my channel name. Then click on next. After that, create here a strong password. Then click on next. Now you can save your password or not. If you save it, then second time you don't need to type here password for login. That's it. After that, set here your birthday. I'm gonna set it. Then click on next. After that, here set your account username. As you can see here, my account username is not available, but they suggest some username here below. You can choose any of these to your need. I'm gonna choose third one. And now click on next. Here you can sign up with your Gmail or phone number, whatever you want. I'm gonna type here my phone number. Then click on next. Finally tap on I agree. After that, you can upload here your profile picture. I will upload it later. So I'm gonna skip it. Then here click on continue. Just allow it. Then tap on continue. Then Instagram need your permission. Click on continue. Then select your account and click on continue. After that, select your birthday here and tap on continue. Then tap on here yes. Now from here you can share your profile to your friends or followers. I'm gonna skip it. After that, Instagram suggests you your Facebook friend here. You can follow them and then tap on this arrow. That's it. Now enjoy on Instagram. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.